steam room.
Yung jacuzzi. Ito pala yung ano nila. Thank you.
20 euros per person.
20 euro per person.
Per hour.
Per hour. Just only 1 hour for 20 euro.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Better in the...
For 1 hour? That's a lot of money.
Loads of money for fun. And then better in the... Where we? Flora.
You stay there as long as you wanted for nothing.
Yeah, Flora Hotel is good. That is so expensive. Nagkanta-kanta na lang. Oh, it's a lot of swimming pool is there.
It's a children's one, isn't it?
Children's swimming pool? Oh, it's close. Close, isn't it?
It's closed, isn't it?
There's children's swimming pool, guys. Oh. Dito tayo sa swimming pool ng pang-adult. Galing kami sa beach. Mag-swimming. Yung iba, tinan nyo. Ayaw magsiligo. Pumunta lang dito nyo, my love. They are coming here to have a sunbathing.
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. Where we go swimming?
We need a bed.
Bed?
We need a bed. The beds are over there.
Where's the stairs? There's the stairs.
Stairs are here. There's probably stairs over there as well. Look.
There's the stairs there. How about
Steps over there. I can see the mountain steps.
Where's the stairs? 1.6 meters.
It's not 1.6 meters, is it?
1.65.
You won't stand up in that then.
So high?
Yeah. I'll be over your head.
Over the head then?
Yeah. There'll be some beds.
No. Sit down. We can go there. I'm okay in here.
What's that? You're not allowed to swim in there, baby.
Nako danger. What then the chair?
Some beds over there with no towels on.
Where?
Down the bottom.
Maybe the bottom is not that deep, isn't it? Where are we going?
I can see 2 sunbeds there. Look for that man in blue. The man who's wearing a blue t-shirt and blue shorts.
Okay.
There's 2 sunbeds there.
Swimming tayo.